Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients and tools. 1/2 head green cabbage, 1/4 head red cabbage, 2 large carrots, 2 large eggs, a sharp chef knife, and a bowl. Use 1/2 head green cabbage and 1/4 head red cabbage for color and texture, core and discard stems. Chop cabbage into fine shreds about 1/4 inch thick for even dressing coverage. Place 2 large eggs in a saucepan, cover with cold water, bring to a boil. Then simmer 9 minutes for hard yolks and transfer to ice water to cool. While eggs cool, prepare the dressing. Peel and mash 2 hard-boiled eggs into a smooth paste. Mash 2 hard-boiled eggs and whisk with 1/2 cup mayonnaise and 1/4 cup plain yogurt to create a creamy base. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon sugar to balance acidity and sweetness. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, tasting and adjusting to preference. If you want tang, add an extra 1 teaspoon vinegar. For thinner dressing, whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons cold water. Combine the shredded cabbage and 2 grated carrots in a large bowl, tossing to distribute ingredients evenly. Combine shredded cabbage and 2 grated carrots in a large bowl before adding dressing, ensuring uniform texture. Pour the egg-based dressing over the vegetables and toss until everything is evenly coated and glossy. Toss the vegetables with the egg-based dressing until evenly coated. Chill 30 to 60 minutes to let flavors meld and to firm the texture. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley or 1 tablespoon chopped chives before serving, and taste for final salt adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.